Welcome to What's in Mind. Space, home to a very young Milky Way. Inside it, we have the solar system. Solar system contain a sun with 8 neighbors: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Starting with the Pluto. It is the type of the dwarf planet because of its unusual shape. Moving to the Sun, it's the type of yellow dwarf with temperature 5505 degrees Celsius and its core temperature about 15 million degrees Celsius. Its radius about 432,168 miles. Distance from Earth about 92 million miles. It contains elements in its atmosphere with the percentage 92.1 hydrogen and 7.8 helium. Its lifetime about 6.5 billion years. Mercury. One day in Mercury is about 176 Earth days. Of radius 1516 miles. Gravitational pull 3.7 meter per second square. Distance from the Sun 36 million miles. Properties of it: no atmosphere. The temperature during the day about 430 degrees Celsius, while in the night minus 180 degrees Celsius. Moving to Venus, its radius around 30,760 miles. One day on it about 243 Earth's day. Surface temperature 465 degrees Celsius. It is the hottest planet in our solar system. Distance from Sun 67 million miles. Its atmosphere contains only carbon dioxide. Earth, the only planet that contains living organisms. Its radius 3,959 miles. Human population about 7.53 billion. Its distance from Sun 93 million miles. The atmosphere of Earth contains of nitrogen, oxygen, argon, and carbon dioxide, neon, with the domination for nitrogen. Moving to Mars. One day on Mars about 24.6 Earth's hour. Planet type terrestrial. Radius 2,106 miles. Its atmosphere contains carbon dioxide, argon, nitrogen, oxygen, and water vapor. Jupiter. It is a gas giant with 53 moons, with atmosphere made up of hydrogen and helium. Its surface temperature minus 110 degrees Celsius. One day on it is 9.93 Earth's hour. There is no life on it. Saturn. One day on it around 10.7 Earth's hour. Its radius around 36,183 miles. It contains in its atmosphere hydrogen and helium, with 53 moons. Distance from Sun 886 million miles. Planet type gas giant. Moving to Uranus, it is an icy giant one day is about 17.14 Earth's hour, with 27 moons, and with distance 1.8 billion miles from the Sun, made up of water, methane, ammonia. Radius around 15,000 miles, and with atmosphere containing molecular hydrogen, atomic helium, and methane. Moving to Neptune, one day around 16 Earth's hour, planet type ice giant, with radius 15,000 miles, and with 14 moons orbiting it. Its atmosphere contains molecular hydrogen, atomic helium, and methane. Distance from Sun about 2.8 billion miles, with wind speed around 2,000 kilometers.